that I get from this channel is, where do I get my ideas from? One place where I get ideas from would be, I googled small businesses that actually work in South Africa, because I'm in South Africa, and I get lots of ideas here for logos. And you could use the same principle if you would like to design for people. Go to the place where your country registers businesses, or go on social media and partner and collaborate with the people that help small businesses register businesses, because those people usually need design work, logos, etc. And we have done pet. Today we're doing electronic repairs. Join me. Today's video was inspired by these videos I've seen on YouTube using the 3D broken glass effect on Canva. This effect that you see on here is done by an image. So we're going to be using a graphic to try and get the same kind of an effect for our logo. Select a blank logo canvas. Once you've opened up your canvas, you're going to press T to add text, and then you're going to write the name of the business. So we're going to call it Gadget Fixer. So to change our font, we want a font that looks like a glass that's broken, to try and mimic the kind of business that we're designing for. So I found the VT323 font, and it looks so kind of cool. It looks like a gadgety, broken kind of a logo, so I'm going to make that capital letter. Cool. Now that you've got your Gadget Fixer and the font is done, we can change the color and make it a bright, nice red for both. So next you're going to go to your element, and you're going to be looking for the glass crack on your element. And I love this one. You just click on it once and add it like that, and then you align it. The next thing, I want the gadget name, or the name of the business, to look like it's going through the glass. So you're going to tweak it, and if you get a client who would love to do this with you, go for it. And then we're going to try to put it underneath the effect and bring the position forward so that the gadget is on top of the effect itself. And then we're going to move the fixer just a little bit out of the way, and that's pretty much your logo. I'm going to change the glass crack to white, because I want, when we get to Photopea, that it pops and it shows. That's pretty much your 2D done. You're going to go on share, and you're going to download it as a transparent background. If you don't have a transparent background, because you don't have Canva Pro, then you can use the remove.bg. Once it's downloaded, you're going to jump in on Photopea, and then you're going to convert your logo to a 3D. When you land on Photopea, because we're using a PSD mockup that we've downloaded from freepik.com, we're going to click where it says open from computer, and we're going to find it where we've saved it. You select your PSD file, and you wait for it to load, and you double click where it says your logo here, and you hide your logo text, and you click and you drag the 2D that we've downloaded from Canva. We size it, align it, we click on file, save as smart object, and we click once where it says luxury logo for the software to convert it. And there you go. There's your glass fixer 3D logo. Stunning. I love it. And you're going to go file, export as a PNG, or whichever format that you would like to export it as. You could watch the next pet training video we've created if you want more cool ideas. Thank you for joining me. I will see you on the next video.